Is welcome to Prio Promo. Today I am going to show you how to turn image, text, audio, or even URLs into a stunning video using Pictory AI absolutely for free. Whether you are a content creator, marketer, or just love AI tools, this step by step guide is perfect for you. Stick around because it'll also show you how to edit, monetize, and even make affiliate income using Pictory. Let's dive in. Step 1, open Pictory AI. Open Google Chrome and search for Pictory AI. Click on AI video generator. Transform text to video. Pro tip: make sure you are using desktop Chrome for full functionality. Step 2, sign up for free. Click Get Started Free. Choose Continue with Google, select your Gmail and click Continue. Boom! Your Pictory account is ready in seconds. No credit, no card required. Step 3, select your use case. You will see a pop up asking, what do you want to use Pictory for? I recommended monetizing on YouTube, but you can choose anything. Tap Start using Pictory. Step 4, explore all Pictory tools. Pictory has everything you need: text to audio, turn scripts or blog posts into videos, URL to video, turn any long blog or article into a short video, AI video generator, automatically edits your video using AI, summarize video, short and long videos into highlights, audio to video, convert podcasts, voice notes, or audio files into videos, image to video, turn image into videos in seconds, peer to video, convert presentation into professional videos, screen recording, capture your screen in high resolution. Expert tip for beginners: start with text to video or image to video for quick result. Step 5, customize your profile. Click your profile icon, My Account. Update your profile picture, display name, bio, and make it look professional. This helps if you want to affiliate or monetize later. Step 6, URL to video and AI editing. Click URL to video, paste any website link, and Pictory instantly creates a video. You can also click AI video editor. It automatically trims, adds captions, and improves visuals. This is perfect for making shorts or reels from long content. Step 7, image to video, totally free. Click browse, select your image, upload, tap generate video. In second, your image becomes a video. Click download. Easy, fast, and free. You can also add visuals, text, and background music directly in Pictory to make it more engaging. Pro tip: use high quality image and royalty free music for better viewer retention. Step 8, monetize and affiliate program. Click profile icon, then become affiliate. Share your affiliate link and earn commission every time someone Signs up. This way you can turn your Pictory skill into real income. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to fully use Pictory AI image. From image to videos, audio to video, text to video, and even URL summarize all for free. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Priyo Promo, and hit the bell icon so you never miss my tech tips and AI hacks. Comment below which Pictory feature you are most excited to try, and I will personally check them out.